format that we have of the app is now raging in the West, and we've brought that into India and Asia. I mean, something like a fan being able to rank themselves as the number one or number two fan, and the ability of Disha to see if the who the top fans are is something which is unique about this. And of course, all the social handles, everything that is part of Disha's world is going to be in the app. For us, it's a very exciting thing to partner with Disha, because and she's one of the most engaged social media celebrities, apart from being a celebrity in the Bollywood. So, over to you, Disha.
Thank you so much. So kind. Actually, it's a pleasure for me to be a part of this beautiful app. I always talk to all my fans on Insta, and I have many groups actually in Insta where you have these young kids who are like 16, 17, and they're talking to me about their exams, they're talking to me about their life and how they're struggling, the teenage. So for me, it's such a brilliant thing that I'm getting a platform where I can actually talk to them one-on-one, because sometimes it's difficult. These websites like Insta or Facebook doesn't allow me to go onto that level, because you have so many pages, you have so many people on Insta. So sometimes it's really, you don't actually realize who are the important ones and who are actually your real fans. So it's giving me a platform. It's going to be much more private. And I'm also going to be uploading all the exclusive pictures and videos and behind the scenes. So that's going to be fun. We also have a lot of cool contests. So, like through contests, we can also make sure these are the top 3 ranking fans. And I would love to meet them as well. So we have a lot of cool concept, and I'm really excited, and I'm very happy that I'm a part of it, and I'm actually doing something like this because this would give me a closer reach to my fans and actually friends. I don't want to call them fans, friends. So yeah.
Yeah, and to just adding to it, for the first time that you will see in this app that somebody who comes into the app, a fan who comes into the app, or a friend, like Disha said, comes into the app, they gain something out of it. So there is a virtual currency mechanism inside the app. So the more time that you spend inside the app, the more virtual currency you are gaining, and then you can use that virtual currency to rank yourself as the top fan or win contests, which does not happen in any other social platform. So that's a very unique thing. You are actually giving love back to the fans who support you so much. So that's what's going to be a big thing.
Thank you so much. So now the press is open to ask questions, so go ahead with your questions. So we'll be passing the mic. Is it on? You need to put it on. So we'll be passing the mics to the press. Also, we would request everyone to please make sure that the questions are only regarding the app. Thank you.
दिशा जी on your left and center.
Yeah, hi.
दिशा जी, सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आपके इस
Thank you so
ऐप को
much.
लेके, लेकिन हमने देखा है कि हिंदुस्तान में कई सारे एक्टर के ऐप, हाल फिलहाल में कई सारे एक्टर ने अपना ऐप लॉन्च किया, लेकिन वो वेस्टर्न के कल्चर में उतना सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ है. तो आप अपने इस ऐप को लेके कितना नर्वस हैं, एक्साइटेड हैं?
और आप कह रहे हैं इंडिया में
सक्सेसफुल रहा है? सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहा है.
इंडिया में नहीं रहा है,
नहीं रहा है. हॉलीवुड के कंपेयर में हम देखें अगर तो
I think it depends from person to person. आपको if I am launching an app, मेरे पे बहुत responsibility है that I have to make sure that I talk to them, because what's the motive of the app? If I can't take out time for people who are actually loving me so much and giving me so much love, then it won't work. End of the day, it's all about interaction and knowing those people who love you so much and support you. So I think it depends from person to person, how much time you give, how much love you give, you'll get it back. So let's see.
And to answer your question, an app is not supposed to be a one-way street. It is not कि हमने कुछ बोला and that's about it. App should have the opportunity to interact with the fans. So if anything has not worked, it's because it's been a one-way street. We've done I mean over 70 apps now, not just in US but in South America and India as well. Every single app has been successful because we've cracked that model of how people interact with their favorite artist, and that is the key. If you are interacting, it will work. But if you keep it as an information, kind of an app that I'm only going to provide information, it will not work. Certainly will not work.
आप जैसे देखिए, आप अगर दिशा को 5000 मैसेज भेजें और आपको एक भी रिप्लाई ना आए तो आपको कैसे लगे? वो ही ऐप में नहीं होगा। आप मैसेज भेजेंगे, आप इंटरेक्ट करेंगे, आपके मैसेजेस वो देखेंगे, देख पाएंगे। जब आप टॉप फैन बनेंगे, शी विल रिप्लाई टू यू। सो दैट्स द एंगेजमेंट व्हिच यू विल फाइंड ऑन दिस ऐप, व्हिच इज नॉट देयर ऑन ऐप्स व्हिच यू से आर successful.
Disha, digital world is booming these days.
Hi.
right? Hi. So digital world is booming these days. So tell us something about the differences about your app. How different is your app? And apart that, Alia has launched a game and you have been launching an app today yourself. So
I just saw it. Looks cool. I feel we have a lot of contests that I don't know that other apps had. Will you agree?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, we have a lot of contests, and through contests you can always come to know that who's your biggest fan, and you can also send them merchandise. You can also send them gifts which are personalized, and I can also meet them, which is a cool thing because you can throw a contest, but what you see on Insta or Facebook, you don't have these kind of things where you can actually meet your fans. So through the contest, if you win the contest, if you're actually a real fan, you can actually also meet me, and I would love to do that because I would like to know how these people are, how these kids are, and there's also a lot of I think that's the
one of the key things, like I mentioned before, is the fact that you will have, as a fan, you will have the ability to pin your post so that Disha can see it. You can't do that anywhere else. Okay. Second, you can't earn virtual currency anywhere else. So these are key elements, right? I mean, if I'm spending time there, I mean, I can tell you there are people who spend hours and hours on the app and comment, and they may get into like Instas and the Twitters and the Facebooks of the world, but they don't gain anything out of it, right? It's just a one-way street. Here, not only you are gaining virtual currency, but you are also have the ability to put yourself up there, pin your post so that Disha can see it, and then get a reply from Disha. You don't have it anywhere else, and that's the most unique thing about it.
And once you enter the app, you don't need to go out, anywhere. All your social media handles, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, her videos, her personal feed, her music, everything congregates in one app. So you don't need to go out to different social media pages, find out her page, see what she's done at a different time. So everything you go on the app, you will find Disha's, post, Disha's, everything is combined in one app.
Disha, how do you balance both the lines, app as well as the portfolio creator? Suppose you get busy both.
Well, right now also I'm handling, to be honest, and as I said that I always speak to my fans, and I have these crazy groups and crazy kids talking to me. Every day I speak to them. I make sure at least I send them a heart or a hi or a morning or a night. So every day I'm still doing the same thing. But sometimes I feel, okay, I'm only speaking to people who are my fan clubs. So right now I don't know, okay, someone who can't make a fan club right now won't have that reach because I won't know that that person also like takes me as an idol or is a crazy fan of mine. So I'm still doing the same. I think, yeah, it's a bigger responsibility for sure, but I have a team for that. So that's why I have a big team, I have a responsible team, so I think that will be helpful.
And responsibility is a very, very, very correct word that Disha is using. Somebody who can get in 6 hours, 7.5 lakh, views, certainly has a lot of responsibility. Absolutely, there is no doubt about it. For it was a very, very easy decision to
So
actually
kind.
approach Disha and say let's do this app because I mean it's very, very clear. I don't think I need to explain. She is the future.
Hi Disha, here
Yeah, hi.
रवि फ्रॉम एबीपी न्यूज़।
Hi.
सोशल मीडिया का ज़माना है, हर किसी के पास आज़ादी है सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ भी लिखने की। ऐसे में जब आप सेलेब्स लोग होते हैं तो बहुत लोग ट्रोल भी करते हैं आप लोगों को, बहुत तरह तरह की बातें भी करते हैं, फैंस भी होते हैं जो अच्छी बातें करते हैं। तो बहुत सारे बॉलीवुड सेलेब्स को ट्रोल भी किया गया है। क्या आपको कभी इस बात का प्रेशर या नर्वसनेस रहती है कि कोई कुछ भी लिख देगा, कभी बॉडी शेमिंग होगी, कभी कोई पर्सनल कमेंट कर देगा, उससे डील करना आपके लिए कितना आसान और मुश्किल है, इस बारे में अगर कुछ आप बता पाएँ?
थैंक यू फॉर द क्वेश्चन। आई थिंक दी ओनली टाइम मैं जब नर्वस या डरती हूँ जब मैं खुद कुछ लिख रही होती हूँ। आई हैव टू ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि कुछ गलत ना बोल दूँ बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट आई राइट। लाइक एक कन्फ्यूजन हो जाता है, लोग मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाती है। सो आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली टाइम when I'm scared. But otherwise, it doesn't matter to me. I think India has the freedom of speech. So, see, anybody's idea is not the fact. if I'm writing down something and this is my idea or this is my imagination, it won't be a fact. So if I start taking it so seriously that, okay, this person thinks like that of me or whatever, and if I take it as a fact that this is me, and I take it as a reality that whatever this person is saying about me is me, but it's not the fact. So it's fine. I do respect everyone who have opinions about me. That's fine, but it doesn't affect me because I know that's not the fact. Because people might not know me so like personally. So that's okay.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि किसी ने कुछ कह दिया हो और आपने उसे ब्लॉक किया हो, आपको लगा हो कि नहीं अभी से ब्लॉक कर दूं?
Sometimes, when you have these kind of people on social media, sometimes who really write, I can't even express in words, like बहुत ख़राब कुछ लिख देते तो आपको लगता है कि ये इंसान को मुझे अभी ब्लॉक करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा होता है. I think that's a normal thing. We all do that.
Hi, Disha, this is Priyanka.
Hi.
Congratulations for the app.
Thank you so much.
We've been reading that you and Sara Ali Khan are in the race for the lead role opposite Tiger in Student of the Year 2. Yeah. So, and Puneet is quite keen on having you. So, what do you have to say on that?
I'm also reading these news. I don't know. I've been reading and like, I don't know, it's very weird for me because even I don't know. So every time I read a newspaper, sometimes Sara, sometimes Disha, sometimes Puneet, I don't know what's happening. So
Have you been approached?
So, Disha, sorry to cut you, but we would
Her
really
answer.
expect questions only on the app.
Let her answer at least.
Yeah, I did. She did. I think.
No comments.
Thank you.
Thank you.
आप बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं.
Thank you
आपको
so much,
लोग
आप भी.
इतना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, फैशन आइकॉन आप मानी जाती हैं. दो सवाल है मेरे. पहला सवाल ये कि पिछले 50 इयर्स में जिस तरह से फैशन बदला है उसे आप कैसे देखती हैं, और दूसरा सवाल है पिछले 50 इयर्स में सिनेमा कैसे बदला है उसे कैसे देखती हैं. दोनों हिंदी
Okay,
में.
आपका पहला सवाल.
हिंदी में.
जी. फैशन की बहुत नॉलेज नहीं है मुझे. बस वही पहनना पसंद करती हूँ जिसमें मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस फील होता है. मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता फैशन ट्रेंड्स क्या होते हैं, क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. बिजी रहती हूँ अपनी चीज़ों में. नाइस सॉन्ग. बिजी रहती हूँ अपनी चीज़ों में, तो मुझे ऑनेस्टली अगर आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि आप फैशन आइकॉन और डीवा, आई एक्चुअली डोंट टेक इट. आई फील मेरे स्टाइलिस्ट सारी मेहनत करती है, मैं बस कपड़े पहन के आ जाती हूँ बाल बना के. तो आई फील वो चेंज होता रहता है फैशन का. कभी स्किनी पसंद आते लोगों को, कभी दे लाइक कर्व्स, कभी इट कीप्स चेंजिंग. आई फील कि आपके अकॉर्डिंग जो फैशन होता है वही फॉलो करना चाहिए, जिसमें आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो और आप कंफर्टेबल हो, जिसमें आप कूल फील करते हो. आई थिंक दैट्स फैशन फॉर मी. एंड सिनेमा काफ़ी चेंज हो गया है, स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन. आई फील काफ़ी लड़कियों को भी इम्पोर्टेंस दी जा रही है, एंड कहानी का एक स्ट्रॉन्ग हिस्सा बनते जा रही है जो पहले नहीं था इतना. तो ये चीज़ें काफ़ी देखने को मिल रही हैं, एंड आई होप कि आगे जाकर ये और बढ़ता जाए, एंड हम भी एक इक्वल पार्ट ऑफ द सिनेमा रहे. Thank you.
Disha?
Hi, here.
Hi.
Nati from 9X Media.
Hi.
So I wanted to ask, since you're a public figure and you're a celebrity, and you can see that there are cases that, when a celebrity shares everything, almost everything on social media, there's also the cause that there are stalkers. So how is this app preventing you from those stalkers? Because then you never know, I'm a fan, but I'm also a stalker. I'm getting the benefit.
I'm so sorry. If you're a fan, you're a stalker. That's the thing.
Yeah.
If I like someone, I'll stalk that person.
Access.
See, it depends. There's always a fine line between your personal life and a fine line between your professional line. So I'm not breaking that line. Okay, I'm going to be super friendly and I'm going to be expressing, but there's always going to be this fine line for my private life, which I'm not going to expose because I feel your private or personal life should stay private or personal. So I think अगर जब तक मैं उनको उस जगह में reach नहीं दूँगी तो it's safe. Otherwise, who knows? Like you can never expect all these things.
As far as the app is concerned, there are many technical filters that ensure that these things are taken care of. Apart from technical filters, there's a team behind which digs deep into everything that happens around, whether it is a contest or even if it is somebody meeting after winning the contest, we dig deep into it before we take that call. So it's very, very safe. We have all those safety features built in.
Thank you.
So thank you so much. With this, we end the press conference. Thank you so much.
Disha, I have a question for you. Hi, ये ऐप जो है वो आपके फैंस के लिए है, जैसे कि आप आपके फैंस के साथ इंटरेक्शन करने वाली है, लेकिन आप पर्सनली किसकी फ़ैन हैं?
So many. There are many actors or Bollywood, Hollywood. Bollywood, I love Priyanka. I love her, and she's just so confident. Actor, I love Shah Rukh. And when I was young, I used to be a huge fan of Ranbir. So yeah.
दिशा आप
I remember प्यार किया तो डरना क्या. My father was a crazy fan. He made me see this film at least 8 times when Mughal Azam का वो colored आया था नया नया. तो I used to see her and she's so beautiful. So yeah, for sure.
दिशा एक न्यूज़ आई थी कि यहाँ पर हाँ एक न्यूज़ आई थी कि आप मुन्ना माइकल में एक स्पेशल सॉन्ग कर रही हैं. टाइगर ने
मैंने
आपको
भी पढ़ा.
अप्रोच किया है.
हर चीज़ मैं पढ़ती हूँ. मुझे कोई बताता नहीं है.
तो क्या आपको ऑफर आया है, आप कर रही हैं?
मैंने अभी मुझे पता चला जब आपने बताया है. तो I'm waiting for someone to call me.
But thank you so
regarding
much.
this.
This is the last question. Thank you so much, everyone. With this, we end the press conference. You can go ahead, click pictures, and no more questions, please. Thank you so much. Press, no more
Let him ask,
questions.
let him ask.
Okay. Sure.
Hi Disha, my
Hi,
name is
hi.
Vinesh. I write about Bollywood. So my question to you is, it's been just 6 months since you have made a debut in Bollywood, and you already have an app. That's like super achievement. So how do you feel about that?
No, I got super lucky. I've been very fortunate for everything, the kind of work I've been getting, and thanks to them for approaching me and for feeling that I could take this forward, I could take this responsibility. So yeah, all the credit to them.
By the way, I'm a huge fan of yours, and as we are speaking, I've already started downloading the app.
Really?
So yeah,
So
so I
sweet.
hope I'll be reading a lot about
Top
that.
rank.
Rank yourself. You might just win a
Sure,
contest.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to announce a
great time
very
on the
exciting contest soon.
Sure.
Maybe you are the lucky one. So let's see.
I'll take part in it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. And with this, we end the press conference. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank